Hey there you guys, it's me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with a city vlog. So today is obviously day one, and I'm here now. I've just got my wristband. Oopsies. Got my wristband, got my baggie. I'm just about to walk in. I look a bit clownish, but we're gonna go with it. I tried to do my makeup today to look a little bit glam, but obviously those brows are wild. But we're gonna roll with it. So enjoy. Just met up with my friend and we are basically just getting a coffee quickly. I genuinely feel like I'm in need of a coffee. It's so, like, being here is so much fun, but it's also so draining. So yeah, we need that coffee. Huh?
I know you've got to do 7X's. Oh no, you haven't.
No, I don't.
Oh my god, that looks so much like coming to frame, and you know who you're talking to.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks just the same though.
Look, it's winning.
Look. Except I have photos.
Yours is like better.
I know, I doubt it.
Oh please, it is.
It has eyebrows and everything.
I love the eyebrows. I need the eyebrows.
I think I'm going to take it off the Jodie pod, but it's easier to colour it with.
Yeah, I can imagine. So yeah, we're just waiting for our coffee. Super excited.
I'm so sorry.
Don't be sorry. Yeah, we're gonna like wait for the other guys as well to come along and join us. Yeah. Hey there you guys. So I was really bad at filming yesterday and I totally forgot to vlog more than I really should. I'm sorry if the lighting is really bad. It's obviously morning time. It's bright and sunny, and yeah, so I'm actually just walking off to the train station so that I can get to day two. Super excited. Hopefully I will vlog a bit more today. I don't know whether this is going to be the end of day one or if I'm going to merge them all together just yet, but just in case, you know, I'm here. But it all depends on how much footage I get for each day, and yeah.